Hello, this is Nathan with UnitConnect.com, the online property management software. In this video tutorial, I will be covering how to manage existing user roles within UnitConnect software. So to begin, let's head over to the admin page here in the top menu. Following, let's head over to the user management tab. Within this tab, we have four options: manage users, manage roles, new user wizard, and new role wizard. So we are going to go ahead and manage existing roles within the application. Please note that the default roles within the UnitConnect software include administrator, assistant, investor, and property manager. Please note that in a previous video tutorial, I created a new user role, which I called Property Management Assistant. Within your organization, you will have different people that have different roles within the organization, and therefore you're going to want to assign them the appropriate role so that they can have access to the right information and different tabs within the UnitConnect software. For example, if I come over to the administrator role and I go ahead and click on role details, here we can see the role details for the administrator role type. Please note that since this is a default role, it is read only and cannot be modified. So therefore we can see that the administrator is going to be a top level user role and should have access to all the different tabs within the software. So we have administration, banking, billing, communication, leaseholders, properties, reports, and vendors. We can see that within each of these tabs, all of these different views are enabled, opposed to disabled. Please also note that we can make any of these roles active or inactive. So I'm going to go ahead and go over back to the roles. Since the four default role types are read only, the only one I can change is the existing role type that I had added in a previous tutorial. So I'm going to click on it and go to role details. Here in the role details page, we can see all of the different tabs and different sections within each tab that this role type has access to. The reason that you would want to create a new role type is if the four existing role types do not meet the needs for the permissions that you're looking for. And so if you have someone within your organization that you want to have special viewing privileges within the software, then this is where you can go ahead and edit that. Please note that this role was created in a previous video tutorial. So you would need to go ahead and create a role similar to this if you have not already done so in order to be able to edit it. Following, you can go through each of these different tabs and review what information you want this user that is assigned this role to be able to access in terms of the information within the UnitConnect software. If you want to make any changes, you can simply toggle the enabled section or disabled section for any subsection within each of these tabs. After you've made those changes, be sure to click on Update here in the top right corner. So I'm going to go ahead and click Update, and we'll see that role information has been updated, and any users that are assigned this role will have these different permissions updated within the software. All right, that concludes this video tutorial on how to manage existing roles. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. Please be sure to stay updated on new video tutorials, new blog posts, and other software updates. Again, my name is Nathan with UnitConnect. Thank you so much for watching.